I'm curious if you ever struggle to fix mistakes even though you know how you want the piece to sound, if you get frustrated by the lack of progress during your practice sessions and want to make your practice more effective, or if you feel like you unintentionally waste time during your practice sessions because you're not exactly sure how to get results. If any of that sounds familiar, then you are going to want to join the free 3-day practice challenge that I have coming up next week. And during this 3-day practice challenge, you are going to learn practice strategies that are going to completely change the way that you think about your practice so that you can be way more effective. You're going to learn several simple revolutionary practice methods that you can use for a ton of different problems in your practice so that you can get really big results with simple methods that apply to many different problems. You're gonna connect with other piano players and learn by watching and listening so that you get better at hearing your own mistakes and knowing exactly how to fix them. This challenge is going to be live streamed into my free Facebook community, and replays will be available. It's going to take place on February 6th, 7th and 8th at 12 p.m. Pacific time. And if you want reminders about the live streams, or if you want access to the replays all for free, sign up using the link below.